Good morning, students. I myself, Faika Misra, your mathematics teacher, came here with taking a videos for class 6, chapter 4, integers. Students, this is the fifth part of the video series. Today, I am going to discuss here subtractions of integer. Students, in previous videos, I discussed about additions of integers, property related to integer additions of integers. After that, you solve exercise up to 4b. Today, students, I am going to discuss here how will you subtract two integers on number line and what is the rules or properties of subtractions. So students, let's now start. Here, first of all, subtract -3 from 2. Students, on represent on number line. First of all, students, draw a number line. Here I draw a line on which here 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 so on. Here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and so on. Students, you have to subtract -3 from 2. Here students, we know that the additions of integers on number line in previous videos I discussed. Students, similarly here there I discussed how will you add. That means you goes left to right when you have to add positive integers, and when you have to add negative integers goes right to left. So students, here we have to subtract -4. Subtraction, then you goes opposite to additions. That means when you have to subtract negative integers, then you will have to go right side. From here, first of all, you have to subtract -3 from 2. So first of all, 0 to goes 1 2. First of all, go 2 a step right side, and there subtract -3. Here students, you have to subtract -3, then goes left to right, 3 steps. Here, that means here 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. Students, when you subtract -3 from 2 is written 2 minus -3. Students, here -3, then result equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This is the rule for addition. Students, here another example, take subtract 3 from 2. Students, here you have to subtract 3 from 2. So students, first of all, draw a number line. Here 0 1 2 3 4 5 so on. Here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and so on. First of all, students, here 2 means here 0 to 1 and 2. Here from 2 and subtract 3. Students, here positive integer. In subtraction, students, when it positive integer, then goes right to left. Here right and goes 3 step left. Here 1 step, 2 a step and 3 a step. Students, when you subtract 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Here result equal to minus 1. Similarly, students, when you have to add subtract the integers from another, then first on number line, then follow this type of rule. Students, next proceed subtractions rule for subtractions rule for integers. Properties of subtractions. Students, here first, students, closure property. If A and B are two integers, then A minus B is equal to an integer. That means, students, when you subtract any integers from another, then result be always an integer. So this property is followed, closure property. Suppose you have to subtract minus 5 from minus 3. Here you have to subtract from minus 3 minus 5. Here write minus 3 minus minus 5. Here, students, you know, here minus and minus be positive. In bracket here an integer is written and minus minus be positive and is equal to minus 3 plus 5. And students, you know, as I discussed in previous videos, you can delete is equal to 2. So students, here you observe minus 3 and minus 5 are integers and 2 is also an integer. So students, when two integers, then you subtract one from another, then result be an integer. Next property, here if A is any integer, then A minus 0 is equal to A. When 0 is subtracted from any integer, then result be that integer. Suppose 5 minus 0 is equal to 0. Minus 3 minus 0 is equal to minus 3. Here, students, A is an integer, so here is equal to 5. Students, here minus 3, A is equal to minus 3, then result is equal to minus 3. Students, next property here, A, B and C are integers, then A and A is greater than B. Here A is greater than B, then A minus B, here A minus C, A minus C is greater than B minus C. Always, students, suppose here A equal to 5, B equal to 4 and C equal to 2. Three integers are given. Then A minus B, A minus C, here A minus C, A minus C is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and B minus C is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now, students, observe here A minus C is greater than B minus C. Always, students, follow these properties of subtractions for integers. Friends, now I am going to discuss here some problems of your exercise of R.S. Agarwal book. Students, your exercise, now you have to complete exercise 4C. Here in 4C, your first question will be subtract any integer. Suppose you have to given first question, subtract minus 8 from 3. From 3. Here you will write here 3 minus 8. Students, then minus and minus be positive, plus then equal to 3 plus 8, and that means 11. Its answer. Suppose you have to subtract 208 from 201. Here students, you have to subtract from 2. That means it will be written 201 minus 208 and is equal to minus 7. Students, this is the result. Similarly, students, you can solve all the questions related to this number, this type of question. Students, I think you will clearly solve your all the questions of exercise. If any problem, then contact me, and in next video I will discuss all the solutions of this exercise. So students, first now you try to solve exercise 4C of R.S. Agarwal book. If any problem, then contact and wait for next videos. There I will discuss all the problems of exercise 4C. So first you try to solve this video. Friends, if you completely watch this video, then press the like button and subscribe the channel. This properties of subtraction is completed. So friends, that's all. Thank you.